The light's not in the shot, is it? Okay, good. Oh, welcome back everyone to Cooking with Tim. Today we're going to revisit the lemon cookie recipe I shared with you last time. I know I told you my grandma left it to me when she was on her deathbed, and I said they were the world's best lemon cookies. That might have just been a little bit of clickbait. You know, then again, my grandma never even got a driver's license, so we can't exactly take everything she said serious, right? I'm going to show you guys the new and improved lemon cookie recipe that will make your friends shit their pants when they find out you made them. I mean, figuratively, not literally. Delicious. Let's get right into it. To make these cookies, we're going to need a lemon cake mix, some lemon extract, eggs, some lemon drops, vegetable oil, some powdered sugar. We're going to start by putting the cake mix into the bowl. Add 2 eggs, 1/3 cup oil. We're going to put these lemon drops into the blender. Give it a nice blend until it becomes a powder. You're going to have to scrape this out a little bit. Do not use this under any circumstances. What we are going to use this time is a nice heaping tablespoon of horseradish. I'm just kidding, don't use that either. You're going to want to use a nice sturdy fork to blend this. And if you're a pansy, you could probably use a KitchenAid. So I expect you'll be using a KitchenAid. Now it's time to coat our cookie sheet. I know what you're thinking. Oh, that pan's so dirty. Oh, wow. Is that Rachel Ray? Congratulations. You're so much better than everyone. Hey, why don't you just tell me what I'm doing wrong down in the comment? There's an extra step now. And I definitely did not learn this from Stephanie from Rivertown Sweets. I thought of it all on my own. I'm going to get a nice heap of dough on the spoon, and then you would go underneath, just like so. Roll it in a little ball. Use my patented trick that I came up with on my own. Repeat the process 12 times or as many times as you want. Do you need me to tell you every little step, or can you imply that the next part of this is just putting all the dough on there until you run out of dough or you run out of pan space? Ta-da! Now it's time to put these in the microwave. We're going to go 10 minutes on high. I'm just kidding. We put them in the oven, you idiot. It's time to put them in the oven, 350 for 10 minutes. As you can see here, I have a little bit of cookie dough left over. Just didn't fit on the pan. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and eat some of it raw. Does that scare you? Me and you aren't the same. You can't eat raw cookie dough. You're putting everyone at risk. Looks delicious. There you have it, the new and improved lemon cookie recipe that's just as easy as you are. My grandma had a lot of quirks. I remember one time she came in my room and found a Mad magazine and took it away because it was satanic. Look, Grandma, come and get it now. I know what you're thinking. Hey, you're running out of video ideas. You already did one on lemon cookies. Well, I assure you that's not the case. Join us next time where I'll show you an authentic taco recipe that'll knock your socks off.